在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this artist is Huang Pei Shu, who is a Hakka city girl, never really experienced that farmer's life, but she wanted to write a song about it. Now, traditionally, the Hakka people worked in the tea industry, but nowadays, a lot of them also plant coffee, and so she combined the subject of coffee as well as farming to give you this song called Kapi Hyong Kesango, which literally means Coffee Aroma Mountain Song.
Kapi Hyong Kesango Lo hát chu Cà pi đông sông sông Hoa lan lan Lâu sự có trong thế Nghi thiếu chu đòi lòng Cà pi hyong cái sen cô
早期的客家人大多都从事跟茶有关的工作哦，不过近年来呢，很多农夫也转型来种植咖啡，而这位在都市成长的客家子弟黄佩书，就是要唱出这样子的心情，以山歌和咖啡传统保守与现代开放的交错之下来唱出他的心境，而产生了这首《咖比香嘅山歌》。And that's another beautiful Hakka song here on ICRT. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.